supports NAND, read, write, repair, and code checking for the entire. Connect the programmer to the computer. Install the BGA70 socket. Insert the hard drive of the corresponding model. Automatically read hard disk data. Disk capacity. Disk ID. Basic information. Owns the full range of iPhone, iPad bottom layers. In the tank backup system. In the tank write SYSCFG. In the tank clean SYSCFG. In the tank write. In the tank stop checking. In the tank disk format. Install the BGA 110 socket. Insert the hard drive of the corresponding model. The 110 all hard drive operates the same as the 70 all hard drive and operates all functions normally. Install the BGA 315 socket. Insert the hard drive of the corresponding model. 315 all hard drives also support various functions.